The U.S. has faced significant backlogs in processing work permits and green cards, particularly for certain nationalities. For instance, Indian workers have been experiencing extraordinarily long wait times, with some waiting up to 134 years for their green cards. In this video, we're going to talk about a very big initiative to reduce the petition backlogs caused by USCIS's new policy to provide employment authorization cards for 5 years.
Visit our Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you adjust your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The backlog of work permits in the United States is a critical issue for many immigrants and foreign workers. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, has been actively working to reduce the backlog in processing cases. Reducing this backlog is essential for timely EAD approvals and consequently for addressing the concerns of work permit applicants. It said that raising the maximum EAD validity period to 5 years is intended to significantly reduce the number of new Forms I-765, application for employment authorization, it receives for renewal EADs over the next several years, contributing to its efforts to reduce associated processing times and backlogs. The United States has announced that it will offer employment authorization cards to some non-immigrant categories, including those awaiting green cards, for the next 5 years, a decision that will benefit thousands of Indians living in the nation. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, announced that the maximum validity duration of employment authorization documents, EAD, for certain non-citizens who must apply for employment authorization would be increased to 5 years for initial and renewal EADs. These include applicants for asylum or withholding of removal, adjustment of status under INA 245, and suspension of deportation or cancellation of removal, the federal agency said. Increasing the maximum EAD validity period to 5 years is intended to significantly reduce the number of new Forms I-765, application for employment authorization, it receives for renewal EADs over the next several years, contributing to its efforts to reduce associated processing times and backlogs, it said. However, whether the non-citizen maintains employment authorization remains dependent on their underlying status, circumstances, and EAD filing category, it said. For example, if an individual receives an EAD under the category based on a pending adjustment of status application for the maximum validity period of 5 years, and the adjustment application is then denied, their ancillary employment authorization may be terminated before the expiration date listed on their EAD, it said. According to a new study, more than 1.1 million Indians are in the queue for an employment-based green card, and 400,000 of them may die before they receive the much-sought-after legal document of permanent residency in the U.S. A green card, known officially as a permanent resident card, is a document issued to immigrants to the U.S. as evidence that the bearer has been granted the privilege of residing permanently. The per-country caps are numerical limits on the issuance of green cards to individuals from certain countries. The employment-based green card backlog reached a new record of 100.8 million cases this year, according to a study by David J. Beer of the Cato Institute, an American libertarian think tank. About 1.1 million of the 1.8 million cases in the backlog are from India, 63%. Another nearly 250,000 are from China, 14%, it said. In summary, work permit backlogs are a challenge for many individuals in the U.S. awaiting green cards. While steps have been taken to extend the validity of work permits and reduce processing backlogs, the issue remains complex and continues to affect foreign workers, especially those from countries with high demand for green cards like India.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!